knowing that every day is precious and every moment eternal. YoCam is the solution for every moment of your life. You can keep watch over the family with YoCam's monitoring function in real time, even from thousands of miles away. Or you can carry YoCam with you to document every memory, every instant. YoCam weighs only 2 ounces without sacrificing functionality. It's lightweight and amazing. Our multi-use accessories will make YoCam an integral part of your life. Document your best moments and share them instantly. Take wide-angle selfies to the extreme with no limits. Use YoCam as a dashcam to record every ride clearly. Capture your precious moments 24/7. With YoCam, you'll never miss another outdoor adventure. YoCam is waterproof and dustproof, guaranteed with IP68 ratings. You can shoot up to 20 feet underwater. YoCam is designed to thrive in harsh environments and accompany you to new horizons. So be bold, have fun, and capture the most epic moments. With excellent stabilization and HDR technology, YoCam shoots incredible footage and takes breathtaking photos, anywhere, anytime. Switch between functions with just one click on YoYo, the Bluetooth remote control. YoCam is devoted to making life easy for everyone. With the dedicated Mofily app, you can effortlessly generate your own storybook. Hold every moment in your hand. Managing and sharing these moments has never been easier. Light, yet powerful. YoCam will exceed all your expectations. YoCam, now you can have it both ways.